Hey guys, come on in because today we're making date cookies. Remember I bought some dates at Jungle Gems and now we're going to use them. I've been wanting to try that recipe before, so because I don't know if you're old enough to remember the Archway cookies that had the date filled in them. I love those. They had oatmeal. I may have to try that recipe one day, but right now we're just making regular date cookies. So I have 1 stick of butter in here, room temperature butter, so it's nice and soft. And I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar and a 1/2 cup of tightly packed brown sugar. Going in. And we're going to mix all that up for a while till that becomes all creamy. And we're waiting on the cable guy today. Well, internet guy, Glow Fiber. We're getting the fiber internet today. Optic, has anybody got that? And do they like it? It's supposed to be more powerful, and Billy can get it out in his shop, which is what he's wanting anyway. So that was a plus too. They gave us a couple boosters for that, because he can't get our internet right now out there. And we have Spectrum, so we're switching today. It's always scary when you switch and you have no idea what's going on. I mean, for our age anyway, we're like, I don't know. But we're going to try it, see what happens. I think it'll be all right. We've got to move up into the next century, you know. We don't like change very much of that kind of stuff.
No. Too hard to deal with, resetting everything.
I think we can do it. Or I think I can do it.
Yeah, I can't.
What it'll be. All it'll be is just your internet password, I'm pretty sure. Alright guys, we'll be back when I get this done. Alright guys, I got my butter and my sugars all creamed together. Looking nice and creamier there. So now we're going to put in our dry ingredients in a separate bowl. I'm going to mix those together. So it's 1½ cups all-purpose flour. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon of starch, cornstarch I have in here, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Everything's 1/2 teaspoon. And then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Maybe. There we go. All going in, mixing all that up together.
Mix it good. Mix it real good.
He's wound up this morning. This is early morning we're doing this. Alright, so now we're going to put in our eggs. I have 1 whole egg, 1 egg yolk. So let's put in 1. Stir that up. Or mix that up, not stir. Somebody will correct me. And then the other egg yolk. And let's put in a teaspoon of vanilla. Mine's bourbon vanilla.
It's good and dark, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, it's a year old now. Over now.
Guys, I saved those beans, and I was watching videos where you can dehydrate those beans and crunch them up and just have like bean powdered vanilla. Or you can make vanilla paste out of them. So we might be doing something with our vanilla beans because I saved them.
Good.
Yeah, he's all about that. So now we're going to mix in our flour.
I'm all about the repurposing stuff.
I'm going to do a little at a time here. He made another bench we're wanting to show you. I haven't got it done yet, but he's got his part done. Now I have to do my part.
Well, I still have to help you do that part.
Yeah, with the we're going to put the ABCs on this bench. And this one we're going to sell at the craft show. So, oh, you're tearing up my stencil. I made the stencil for it, the ABCs, and I had it laying on it. So he's getting it together. And then we're going to sell that at the craft show. Sorry, that's in October 25th. That's a pretty big bench. And that's all made out of pallets.
All out of pallets.
Look how pretty that is. Look at that. And then here, leave it here. And then we're going to put the ABCs there. And remember, this is just a stencil, so this green won't be on there. We're going to burn that on there. So I think that one will be cool. All for free wood. And he just loves to do that stuff. So that's good for him and for me. I'm in here doing stuff. He's out in the shop doing stuff. So I'm just going to mix the rest of this by hand. Like, put in 1 cup of pitted dates that I've chopped all up.
Well, I made another cookbook holder too somewhere.
Yeah, it's in under my desk.
Oh.
And 1/2 cup of pecans, walnuts, whatever you want. I have pecans. So let's see if we can mix this up a little bit here. I don't want to over mix it. I'm going to use my
I would.
for just a little bit here. Too high, too high. Let's get my mixed up. Stuff's sticky.
I've never had a date cookie.
You never had the archway ones?
Mm-mm.
Oh, they're my dad's and mine favorite. Mom would get them, and me and Dad would sit there and eat the whole pack because there's only like 8 in it, or something like that. It's just 4 stacked, 2. All right, so I'm gonna get this out of here somehow, and then I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. I'm gonna cover it, put it in the refrigerator for an hour, and then we'll be back when we're ready to bake. All right, I had the cookie dough in the refrigerator for about an hour, and now we're gonna scoop them out. I got my big scoop here, tablespoon or so. Let's see what we got here. We've never had these cookies before, so kind of anxious to see. I don't want to put them too close together. I'm not sure if they'll spread too much. That down in there. I'm going to go put 6 on here. Then we'll see what we do. We're going to bake them in a 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. I bet it'll be smelling good up in here.
I bet it will.
All right, guys. Got my oven already preheated going in. We'll be right back. All right, guys. They was in my oven probably 14 minutes. So at 10 minutes, I checked them, and they had not... The bottom was getting brown, but the top wasn't, and they were still just in a ball. So I flattened them a little bit. So if you make this, make sure you flatten them before you bake them. And this is what they look like. Take them off of here. And they're still hot because we just took them out and I let them rest for a minute or 2. And I got another batch in the oven. So we'll let these cool just a few minutes and then we'll be back. All right, guys. Billy couldn't wait. If you see there's one missing, he's over there snacking on it right now. And normally he's not like that. It's like, no, I'll wait. And he's never had a date cookie. He said, I didn't think I would like it. But do you?
Mm-hmm.
And what's it taste like?
Believe it or not, it tastes like an oatmeal raisin cookie.
And there's no oatmeal in it, but I might make an oatmeal one because
yeah, that'd be good.
Yeah, with the dates in it. All right, so look, they're nice and thick and chewy. But like I said, I smashed them down.
They're very good.
So give it a try. It does taste like an oatmeal raisin.
Yeah, don't it?
There's no oats in it, but oh my gosh. Guys, that was very few ingredients, staple ingredients, except for the dates. Oh.
But that date tastes just like a raisin to me. I like it.
It's going to be hard to stay out of these.
Yeah.
It's really going to be hard to stay out of these. But I think this one will go on my Christmas list. Cookies.
And you can add anything else into it you want, like chocolate chips or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
That'd be good.
Ooh. And I got 6 more in the oven, and this was 6. Might make 15, 16 as big as I made them. So, guys, we'll show you this. This is what we put on it. This is the cookbook holder, or iPad holder, whatever you want to do. We still have to stain it and polyurethane it, but it says the secret ingredient is always love. So, there's that. So he's just having a heyday out in his shop with all these skins.
I'm loving it.
That wood right there, though, we got an Amish country. They have a
scrap bin.
Yeah, at Kime Furniture or Kime Lumber or something it is. Huge store, and they have just scrap. And this piece right here, I don't know, they've got some indents in here, so they messed up. And we got it for $1. $1, and he made that out of it. So we'll take it with the free skids and wood like that. Already had the handle in it.
Yeah, I didn't have to do nothing but just add those pieces on it.
And it's sanded. It was already really
that was easy.
Sanded good. Guys, if you're ever in Amish country in Ohio, Berlin, stop by that Kime Lumber. They have everything in there.
Yeah, we're going back next week and hit all the used stores.
Yeah, we're going to the thrift stores up there. Maybe I can find me an Amish dress and a bonnet, and then we'll have an Amish week.
Yeah, I told her she should do like a 50s week and maybe a hippie week, you know.
He's wanting me to dress up.
Yeah. I love it when she dresses up.
All right, guys. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please. Oh, I forgot. I got a joke.
That was funny.
Why did they fire Billy from the banana factory?
Why?
Because he kept throwing away all the bent ones. All right. Like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Baker and Mr. Smith Show.
Peace out. Later, Gator.
Have a great day.